Another component of clarifying what school counselors in your school do, and thereby building buy-in and support, is to build a calendar listing the planned or scheduled activities of the school counseling program, month by month for the current or upcoming school year. Your school counseling program might already have a list of program activities planned out for the school year. You probably do. So here in step 6, simply click on the pencil icon and cut and paste your current list of scheduled classroom lessons or parent nights, or when you're doing scheduling of courses with your students or other activities, into our online learning platform for each month of the school year. If you don't have a month-by-month list of the counseling program's activities, well, this portal makes it easy to create one. Take a few minutes to brainstorm and write down what you typically schedule each month of the school year, even if you don't have specific dates. Note that if you plan to move up to Ascent or Summit and apply for the RAMP award, you will have to create not only monthly calendars like this, but also show examples of what you have scheduled each week of each month in the school year. Creating calendars may seem like an unnecessary step for an effective school counseling model, but you probably know that some people think counselors actually sit in their offices waiting for students to show up. And by having a calendar that details your month-by-month activities, you send a message to parents, to administrators, and teachers that the counseling program is structured, that it's organized, that it's proactive, and that you're busy. It's not only showing them that the counseling program has a plan to help students, it's also subtly conveying that you are not always available at a moment's notice. Calendars are one more way of letting others know what school counselors do and why the school counseling program is so important. Complete step 6 to the best of your ability, then come back and we'll dive into the multiple steps involved in creating your annual student outcome goals.